If you've ever tried to build a Shopify store before from scratch, you probably know how easy it is to get stuck before you ever actually launch. You can spend days or even weeks choosing a theme, designing your homepage, writing product descriptions, adding products, looking for the right products, tweaking every little detail from button color to, product image layout. But now with AI, you can speed up a lot of that process and get the foundation of your store built in just a few minutes. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use AI to build a Shopify store from scratch. I'm going to show you how to choose your niche, how to generate the initial design, how to connect everything into Shopify automatically to populate your store with whatever products you want, and then customize everything to fit your own brand, your own products, and the own look that you actually want, right? Now, the goal here isn't necessarily to have AI do everything from adding the products, selling your products, fulfilling your orders. Obviously, all that's handled through something that we'll use called AutoDS. But the goal of this initially, when you're setting up your Shopify store, is to use AI to eliminate a lot of the tedious upfront work that you used to have to do manually, but now you don't. So you're not starting at a completely blank, Shopify page and Shopify dashboard. Instead, you're going to have a functional store, a solid foundation that you can then customize, you can improve, and you can start testing products so much faster, realistically in like 5-10 minutes after obviously your Shopify store is generated. So if you want to see exactly how this works step by step, let's jump into my computer real fast and I'll walk you through the entire process. 90% of dropshippers fail before they even publish their first product, right? And it's not because they choose a bad item. It's because they spend 3 weeks manually tweaking color codes, designing headers, optimizing button colors, and writing terrible product descriptions on a completely blank Shopify dashboard. By the time they finish the technical setup, their testing budget is gone, or the product trend is completely dead, or worse, they just continue to try to optimize without even ever starting. Now, in today's e-com landscape, manual web design like that is, becoming obsolete. Most automated brands and high-tier sellers are using AI to launch fully functional stores in just a few minutes. Now, in this video, I want to cover how to reverse engineer the exact process of doing this and launching a fully functional Shopify storefront using the AutoDS AI Store Builder. Now, we aren't just letting the machine randomly build a website either, right? We're using the system here to generate a conversion-ready foundation preloaded with winning products, which is huge, and create highly persuasive product pages that are optimized for maximum conversions right from the start. And that's going to, again, like I said, give us a foundation to build from so we don't have to start from scratch. This is going to cut off weeks, even months off your time starting and launch you so much faster. Now, to make this method work, we focus on 3 key layers, right? So first, automated niche configuration to align the visual layout with the buyer behavior, right? Second, direct integration with global suppliers to provide fast shipping options. And third, leveraging advanced AI editing tools to turn basic supplier information from these products into premium marketing assets and highly converting landing pages. Now, let's jump straight over to the computer and launch one of these AI-powered Shopify stores from scratch. So here we are on autods.com. Now, if you aren't already a registered user, simply click Get Started. There will be a link attached to this so you can try it, the completely unrestricted version for just $1. It's a game changer, all right? Now, when asked to select your store, obviously choose Shopify. Then you're going to be prompted to select your subscription plan. Here, you can see the starter plan is just $29.90 per month once you obviously progress through that trial. And this is the plan that I recommend because it includes a lot of the features that you'll need to manage your store. And obviously, as a new user, like I said, you can get started for just $1. And it's not a restricted version. It gives you all of the different assets to test drive for just that buck. Now, I already have an account. So here you'll see inside the dashboard, I'm going to click Choose to add a store. Next, I'll select Build with AI as my store type, and I'm going to click Continue. Now, here we have 3 options. I'll choose AI pre-built Shopify store, and I'm going to continue. Now we need to select our niche, all right? So for example, if you're building a fashion brand, you can choose from the fashion niche, right? If you plan to sell electronics or gadgets, then select electronics, right? It's pretty straightforward. Electronics are always in demand, and they're constantly new and evergreen products to sell. And obviously next, you'll see home and garden. So if you plan on selling furniture, home decor, kitchen products, or any other related items, this is probably an excellent evergreen niche for you. You see pet supplies and the pets niche. Now, if you have a pet store, one of my very first ones that I had success with was a pet product store. I sold a bunch of like niche products for dogs. This is another evergreen niche that often performs pretty well during summer months, around New Year's, really all year long. And it's really easy to get niche down with ads or organic content. And finally, if you're not sure, just select the I'm not sure option. That's obviously if you don't know which niche you want to enter yet, you can select this option and just create a general Shopify store. Now, the AI will help you identify products across multiple niches here so you can determine what works best for you and kind of start testing from here. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select fashion and apparel, and then I'm going to click continue. Next, we want to choose our homepage banners, all right? So I'll select from these two because they're clean, they're modern, and they're minimal, and I'll click continue. Now we need to connect our Shopify store. So we're going to click here. Now, if you don't already have a Shopify store, simply enter your email and create one. I've already created mine, so I'm going to log in. Now, if you're following along, Shopify currently offers a completely free trial followed by an introductory offer of just $1 per month for the first 3 months. Now, again, I'm going to link this to this lecture if you want to try it out yourself, all right? Now, once you are logged into Shopify, return to AutoDS and click continue. Now click Access Shopify Plans, which directs you to Shopify. Now, once you click subscribe, you want to return and continue. And next, we need to install the AutoDS app. So click Access Shopify App Store, then click Install and confirm the installation. Now, on the final step here, you want to choose AI Store Customization. So we're going to click Customize My Store. And before publishing, let's preview the store to make sure that it looks good and see what it kind of looks like, right? So if you click Access Shopify and then under Online Store, click the preview icon, and here we go. Now, within just a few minutes here on this tutorial, we already have a fully built Shopify store. Now, if you're drop shipping and you want your sales to actually take off quickly, then you absolutely need to be using something like Zeek Analytics. It's a no-brainer. I've used it to find top performing products for years now, so here is exactly how it works. Now, as you can see, when you log in, there's a number of different options for you. The cool thing about this as well is they have a full, hub of tutorials and training. So even if you're a complete beginner to finding products or using product research software or any of the things that they offer within here, they have a full training for it. You just click the tutorials and training tab over here. They have a sales tracker. They have a store finder. Why are those things important? Well, if you're tracking a specific product, you can keep an eye on it, monitor it for a few days to a week, and make sure that it is actually doing, good numbers and see everything that is involved with that specific product. So you can make an informed decision and not just guess based on a window in time, but be 100% sure. The store finder, if you're reverse engineering, another competitor, take their best products essentially and, not undercut them, but you take a piece of that specific pie and then you get access to those sales and those products, right? The product explorer, also they offer a title builder. There's a ton of options here. So this is a game changer. Zeek Analytics is probably one of the best tools that you can use for product research, reverse sniping other top sellers, their stores, other top products, and a number of other things. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. This basically shortcuts your product research and gives you a shorter time frame between you and top products, and ultimately gives you all the tools to do smarter product research a lot faster. They're so confident, they stand behind their product so much that they are literally offering a $1 trial for a month, so you can try the full software out for just $1. So if you want to try it out, you can test drive the power of Zeek Analytics in full to find hot products a lot faster. Just click that first link in the description below, go over, and you can try it out for $1. All the pages are working and everything has been generated automatically. Now, if you don't like the banner text, the logo, the colors, the buttons, or any of these sections, they're all easy to customize with just drag and drop builders here. It's very, very easy. Under Online Store, you can click the pencil icon to edit the theme. From here, you can edit virtually anything that you want, right? And the AI has already done the difficult work for us. It's gotten you, further along the metaphorical runway, so to speak. So instead of starting at the very beginning, you're closer to takeoff. Now, all you need to do if you want to, you don't have to, is personalize the content. For example, I'm going to click this headline and replace it with some of my own text, right? You can also edit buttons directly from here. If you want to replace the logo, open the theme settings, and then you can upload your own branding or your own images. So let's scroll down to the footer here. You're going to notice quick link section. To edit these, click the footer menu, then choose edit menu. And from here, we're going to add a menu item. So for example, we can add links like privacy policies, return policies, shipping policies, or any other pages that we like customers to access, right? Once you're finished, click save. Now those links appear automatically inside the footer. If you'd like to edit any of those pages, simply open those page sections and choose the page that you'd like to modify. So for example, if you want to edit the facts page, simply open it and make your changes just like that. Now again, the AI has already generated the layout. It's added the products. It's made the whole store from scratch for you. Your job is to simply review the content, make any necessary improvements, and customize it to match your brand. And again, if you want to add future products, it's very, very easy to do so. Now you're started further along that metaphorical runway. Now, this is a quick overview of the AutoDS Shopify AI Store Builder. I really hope it's helpful. Using this AutoDS dropshipping and print-on-demand app, you can also perform product research directly in the platform, import products to your store as well, like I said, and have them published automatically. The AI can even help you improve your product titles and descriptions. It pretty much takes care of everything for you, so it takes all the guesswork and all the startup troubleshooting out for you.